In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move folder from Google Drive to desktop. We'll download a folder from Google Drive, unzip it, and place it right on your desktop so it's easy to access offline. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive, specifically My Drive. This is where all your files and folders live. Take a moment to locate the exact folder you want to move. If your drive is busy, try the search bar at the top and type the folder's name to find it quickly. Once you've found the folder, right-click it. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click. On a Mac, you can also hold Control and click. In the menu that appears, choose Download. Google Drive will begin preparing the folder for download. Behind the scenes, Drive compresses the folder into a single zip file so it can transfer everything at once. You'll see a preparing download message. Keep the tab open while this finishes, especially for large folders. When the zip file starts downloading, look for it in your browser's Downloads area. Most browsers save to the Downloads folder by default unless you've changed that setting. Wait for the download to complete before moving on. After the download finishes, open your file manager and go to your Downloads folder. On Windows, that's File Explorer. On a Mac, that's Finder. You should see the zip file with the same name as your Drive folder. Now extract it. Right-click the zip file. If you don't see extraction options immediately, click Show More Options. Then choose Extract here. This will create a regular folder in the same location containing all the files from your Google Drive folder. If your system offers Extract All, that works too and lets you pick a destination, but extracting right here is the quickest path. With the folder extracted, select it and right-click again. Choose Cut if you want to move it off Downloads, or use Copy if you prefer to keep a copy there. Navigate to your desktop in the File Manager, right-click on an empty area, and choose Paste. You'll now see the full folder on your desktop, ready to open and use offline. Quick tip, once you've confirmed everything looks good on the desktop, you can safely delete the original zip file and downloads to free up space. And remember, if the folder is very large, the preparing and download steps can take a while. Just be patient and let the process complete. That's it, your Google Drive folder is now on your desktop.